Moshi everybody, hello. As you can tell, I'm holding the camera because, well, on a tripod actually, but as you can tell, this video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to do a slight zombie makeup tutorial. I was saving it for October, but I'm like, nah, I just want to get this done right away, because why not? I will be posting, for the zombie walk, I will be posting about that, like, I'll just post footage and whatnot, but, what else? Oh yeah, makeup tutorial. I literally just, my mind just went blank right now. So with that being said, let's get this thing started. To the bathroom! Alright, so here's pretty much what I'm going to be using for the makeup tutorial. The wig right here is stockings wig, so we're doing a stocking zombie makeup tutorial, because why not? I'm extremely bored, so with that being said, here's pretty much what I'm going to be using. This is leftovers, but I'm going to be using this, because I'm going to save this for later, zombie flesh makeup. Also some blood, that we're going to add that to it. We're going to add a bunch of stuff to this to make it look ridiculous and insane. Yeah, that's mainly, and also this, what's called a flat crown. We're going to use that, and some sponges. This is pretty much what we're going to be using, because this is a test, so with that being said, let's get this started again. Seriously, to the bathroom though. Let's do this. Alright, so we're going to start off with using this right here. It's kind of thick, but it does a trick. It gives that green, dead-like texture to it. So this is how, I usually go for like 2 or 3 squeezes or what the fuck ever. Just kind of do this. Just use as much as you can to get that green dead look. And yes, I'm not wearing a wig right now because, you know what, I'm going to show what my actual hair looks like. Not bald. Kind of. I'm not there yet, so that's, I don't know if I'm losing my hair or just like, you know, receding hairline or whatever, but oh well. I don't know what the fuck I just dropped. So just kind of, you know, sorry if I'm moving around a lot, but I'm going to try to stay in focus within the camera. As you can tell, it has that green-like texture to it, that dead skin or whatever the hell you want to call it, that dead skin-like to it. And yes, in my opinion, makeup does feel weird, but it works. I like going to zombie walks. It's fun. Get to be a zombie for a day, you know. And of course, I always use one hand. Makes it easier that way in case I have to use this hand. So I apologize if I'm talking too much. I'm not even a quarter of the way fucking done yet. Jesus Christ. And of course, what I have right now, how my setup is right now, I literally have my tripod on the edge of the fucking sink. It's like standing on top of it. So I'm just like, no, it's not gonna work, but oh well. Yeah, sorry if I'm talking too much, but there's really nothing to talk about when it comes to when I'm doing makeup tutorials, but besides just like my experience with makeup and shit. So hopefully this comes out the way I want it to. Okay, it's actually coming out the way I want it to. Oh my god, this is actually looking pretty good. Yeah, all dead skin and shit. Hopefully I still have enough of this stuff left, or whatever, zombie cream. All I can say is, like, when it comes to makeup, this is like where you can get this stuff at is Spirit Halloween. It's like $7 or $8. Not 7 or 8, but I'd say like, oh goddamn, I got a little bit on my eyelid. Whoops. I would say it's like $3 or $4. I forgot how much it is, but you can get it around October. And we're getting there. We're slowly getting there. Cause it's like, I don't know. It's like one of those things you get. Like, it's Spirit Halloween usually opens around October, but they do have a website. I'll probably link it down in the description or something. I don't know. Depends on how I feel after this, but I'll probably just link it in the fucking description of where to get this makeup. I don't know how much it roughly costs, but I'd say I got mine for like $6 or $7 at Spirit. Oh yeah, it's actually looking pretty dope. Now, when it comes to my style of makeup, the possibilities are usually endless. Not endless, but not possibilities, but like, my limits are usually just like out there, like the way I do things. probably gonna keep. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this eye like that. Yeah, that's good enough. Oh my god, I can feel a shit needle going near my eye. Get some on my lips and all that stuff. Basically look like I came from the fucking grave or some shit. And it has a weird fucking texture to it, Jesus Christ. And slowly getting there. Oh yeah, I have like 4 minutes left on this fucking. I spent 4 minutes on just applying this shit on my face. Alright. Alright, so this is what it looks like, as you can tell. My face looks fucking dead as shit. But we're gonna add more to it to make it look like I've been beaten up, shot, whatever you want to call it. So, let's see. What you're gonna want to do is, I usually do this crown. I usually make my eyes black or whatever. Add some other interesting looking details. So here's what I usually do. Like I usually make like one like smile grin thing like this. Not my best. Oh wow, it didn't. Ah crap, it's not working. Oh, okay, there we go. Now it's working. Like that. It's mixing with the fucking paint. Jesus Christ, whatever. But whatever. Okay. So somewhere along the lines of this, I usually go for, but I'm gonna darken my eyes a little bit. This shit up. There we go. Okay. And yes, it is smear, but not my best style, but okay. So we're gonna just darken up the eyes a little bit, and this is there's gonna be no jump cuts within this tutorial. I usually use a black crown makeup. It does the trick. Hold up. Oh yeah, it's actually looking a lot better. Give those dead looking eyes. Kind of. Yeah, right here. I'm probably gonna just leave this portion like open or whatever. And I usually do that. See if I can add an extra smile. Oh yeah, there we go. And there we go. I usually do this design because I actually like doing it that way. Now the next thing what we're gonna do is add blood. And maybe, you know what? Why not? I'm going all out with this. Like, I'm doing just different things. It's an experiment with makeup. I don't know what I'm going to tell this video, but yeah, you'll know. Shit. I'm going to use some sparkly makeup. I don't know what kind this is. L'Oreal. But it makes you sparkle a little bit. You can go and get all you want, but why not add some sparkles in your life? Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. There we go. Kind of like that. Add a little bit more, possibly right where my eye is. There we go. That. So that's part of it. So far it looks actually pretty good so far. And of course I'm gonna add a wig last because that's gonna take me a while. Hold up. Alright. So, let's see, what sponge to use? Vampire blood, we're gonna be using that shit. It's a small tube of blood, but it gets the job done. And we're gonna, you know what? Nah, I have plenty of cotton balls. We're gonna use this and vampire blood to add some more, like, zombie, to give it more of a zombie look. And the reason why I look like how I am now, not like I literally just got out of the shower. I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna make a mess. I'm gonna do this instead. Add a little bit of blood, just a dab. I usually add like a dab right here. Shit, this stuff is coming out. Right here where my lip is where I usually add it. Right here. And I usually add some like right here or whatever. And I look partially undead right now. I don't have any contacts because I don't believe in contacts. But yeah, one more thing to it. Right here, we're gonna add some blood like tears. We use our fingers because that usually works for me. You can use whatever, like a sponge or something. There we go. And now for the last part is the wig. And hopefully I don't get this fucking wig messy, so. But I'm gonna do a jump cut and I'll be right back. And voila, not 360, zombie makeup tutorial for male stocking. This video was kind of fun to do. What's it called? Of course, I brought in stockings combat knife, because why not? But we're gonna get a full 360 shot of this makeup in general. So that being said, let's do it. This is pretty much how you do a what's it called? Male stocking zombie makeup from panty stocking. So let's get a 360 view of this shit. On how to make how to do stocking zombie makeup for companion stocking. I don't know why I had a brain fart there, but yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully it was insightful in some way, and hopefully you enjoyed me just making a mess out of myself with this zombie makeup. You know what? Why not? There we go. Hold up. There we go. Yeah, had to mess up stockings wig for a little bit. Hopefully this video was insightful in some way, helped you with zombie makeup. This is like my second tutorial I've done in a good while, but with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next video. With that being said, peace out, take care.